Funky D, welcome back everybody. The news say Air Peace delivers medical supply from Turkey for federal government. But before we go into this segment, make I use this opportunity thank una, all of una when they there when they watch Funky D. Both the ones when don't subscribe and the ones when never subscribe. But if you never subscribe, I say make you begin subscribe right now. And make sure see una press that bell sign when they there that anytime when Funky D worldwide upload, una first get my video. Air Peace Airline on Saturday night, they don't deliver the federal government first batch of medical supply from Turkey in the fight against the spread of the pandemic and for the treatment of those who are affected. This Air Peace, not be this same Air Peace when them travel go. Make una see how shameful una country be. Make una see the failure of Nigerian government. A whole government of Nigeria, they not get single plane. Now Air Peace now that they use. They fight the xenophobia fight when they fight in South Africa last time. When they can't kill some Nigerian people. When they can't say, okay, they won't go evacuate people when they live in South Africa. The man, when get that Air Peace, what they call Onyema, in can volunteer, can go bring back some. God will bless that man. Can go bring some Nigerian people when get problem in South Africa. After I don't do that favor to Nigerian people, the next thing when we hear, we see Nigerian government then begin fight Onyema, begin accuse Onyema. See, he get some fraud activity when he do in America. He get something when he do here, when he do there. But at the end of the day, because he finally knows, say, everything when the FG, federal government, led by this Fulani Janja with people, everything when they accuse the man about Nawayo, the man not do any single thing. Just because he go carry some people from South Africa come. Now him they come begin jealous the man, say na Igbo man, then go deal with them. In a criminal, in do this, in do that. But at the end of the day, everything turned to Wayo, when they Wayo against this man. FG not get one single flight. Then they claim say that them be giant of Africa. This man now when be Onyema man, I don't come out again and now him again they bring out in plane. They bring packages from Turkey when they want to fight this coronavirus. So the federal government of Nigeria, una don't fail. Una not get anything to render anybody. Una not the shame. Una not the shame. Now this man again now, when una supposing now the man they jail in America for example, who for go deliver this thing for una? When una not get single plane. I guess maybe now presidential jets therefore they use now. So supposing the Onyema they for jail now in America, the Air Peace boss, waiting Nigerian government to go for go deliver this thing now when they deliver. They not get one plane. Una not the shame. Una not get one single plane when they travel go anywhere. They carry passengers or they carry anything go anywhere. And una say una get APCC that they rule. APCC that they rule and they won't continue to rule you. Can you imagine, ladies and gentlemen? I beg, make we move ahead. May una not let me talk to una. Air Peace Boeing 777 with a registered number 5N BWI. They say it don't land at the Nnamdi Azikiwe International Airport in Abuja from Istanbul, Turkey on Saturday night. Nice show when they go carry all these packages come. Chief Operating Officer of the airline, when they call Mrs. Toyin Olajedi, now they nyan all this matter, say they don't deliver. They don't deliver. And can say the flight left Nigeria early on Saturday for the 7 hours flight to Turkey and was able to lift the supplies and return to Nigeria before midnight. Now that woman they talk, she can also they talk say this one a first batch of medical supplies from the federal government. Say nothing that the airline would leave for China again. No, China on Monday, for that is today, it won't be on Monday, for another batch of medical supply for the federal government. So, una they go China. China wanna know, even China self, they never even come out from the woods. We don't hear say 20 million people now then die in China. Una they call this China. When una won't go this China, go carry this thing when I won't go carry. When we say una not test them. The whole world now don't know once again. Make una not talk, say we not talk. If you they use anything when come from China, you are in problem. You are in a very big problem. Una not something when una won't carry come from China now. Una not they talk about how whether una go test and there. They're not test and there, they'll just carry and come give Nigerian people. Just like that. Look, Chinese people go wipe all of una commot. Then go wipe una. They hear what? Even the World Health Organization, they don't warn about this same face mask. Una won't go China when China themselves get big problem and another place when the thing started from. Then get problem and still continue to get problem. So, una don't know whether this will then go inject this virus, put for inside that thing that they fear when the whole world they fear. Because China, they won't eliminate everybody. Now, before something go happen, they go begin call Chinese. Before something go happen, they go begin to call China. Why una they depend on Chinese people? Make una stop depending on these people. Make una start to produce on our own thing. The thing when they come from China once again, una no go test them, they will just carry and come. Even the one when come from Turkey, but make we focus on this Chinese China people. Now them bring this thing come. Now them be the problem all over the world right now. Now Nigerian government see they depend on them. Say una won't go carry. When in fact it gets some group of people, everybody don't talk say no, they don't want go carry anything from China. They don't want go carry nothing from China, no doctor from China. Because even their doctor, they feel package the virus come. Una no go still know. Give them to everybody. Then the matter, una go baff the matter well. Una go baff with the matter well. Una they go carry Chinese package. Una don't know what una they do, Nigerian people. Nigerian government make una start to produce una thing. Make una start. This one go teach all of una lesson. And una when they vote for APC and PDP, this one go teach all of una lesson. Una when they clamor Jubri, Shea Baba, this one go teach all of una lesson. Is there any difference between APC and PDP? The answer is no. Hell no. APC and PDP not the same. I don't give you an example before. It gets some laws when the American president they bring come out. When he bring out the law, some other governors, different governors from different states, then go object, say no, not be so. That's to show you, see, and those people when they object now people from the opposition party. So if APC and PDP now different political party, you foresee say argument for day on ground. Even when they won't share that car, when they won't share give people. Even when herdsmen they kill everybody, you go see some governors go come and say, no, we don't want this herdsmen here. We don't want this herdsmen in my states. If there be different political party. But to show you say this one are my point. To show you say these two political party then be the same thing. Then they dine and wine together. The agenda now for both political party or political parties. To show you say these two political parties then be the same. Now when you go see say no governor ever don't come out blast herdsmen and say herdsmen no go dey this state. Herdsmen no go ever dey this state. And it come to pass. But you see, they go just come, they go talk finish, they go enter house. Herdsmen dey everywhere. All the whole state in that country. That's to show you see the two political parties, they get the same agenda. Then be the same people. This money matter when they share again now go show you say APC and PDP, all of them share the money together. The Jubri matter go show you say PDP and APC, then be the same people. Nobody don't challenge. Say this man, nobody in PDP don't come and say this man when Mazin Nandekano don't talk, say this man Jubri from Sudan. We go look into the matter. We must look into the matter and get to the bottom of this matter. All of them, nothing. At the end of the day, now all of them, now the people when Aisha Buhari they talk, say all the time, say that they go, they leak the Kabas shoe. When be the Kabas, I know who the Kabas be. Mamandaura and Abakari. If to say APC and PDP na different political party, you go see say that Jubri matter that matter for don't finish by now. Because then must to drag even some people when they read chamber when they call the lawmakers. The matter for don't come to when we say, I mean go to the lawmakers when we say the opposition party when the lawmakers when they there, then go drag Jubri come out. Then go find out the root and the how come. So, but to show you, say, these two political parties, then be the same political parties. So, you see, nothing they happen. When they talk finish, they will go inside house. They will go hide their head. When they talk finish, they will go hide their head. Then they go carry their Ghana must go steady. Okay, make all of us, they play the game. They go, no problem. I'm not saying now we will. Now we will. Go share because if we do all this and now, the country go scatter. That Nigeria must scatter. Nnamdi Kanu don't promise us say that Nigeria must scatter because this FG where we get this so-called FG, this Nigeria, one Nigeria where we get when they not get government on top. Already don't scatter because look at it. Osebanjo now get the thing, Jubri get the thing, Abakari get the thing, all of them get the thing. Where are the people in the red chamber? The so-called lawbreakers, one of they call lawmakers. Where are they today? Where are they today? Who is speaking for Nigerian people? Who is sending all these people all this message where they go say they want to go carry people from China? And mark you once again, some people don't claim say they don't want any 18 doctors from China. They don't want anything from Chinese people. Because make not allow this thing fly. If this Onyema carry this is flight again, go bring something from China, Nigeria is done. Nigeria is done with this thing now when they happen everywhere in the world. I don't want to call the name again. I don't tell you before. I know what I talk about waiting down board. So they don't claim now say Air Peace now say in they go deliver another batch for the federal government. Then go there on Monday when be today. I say then go leave to Beijing on Monday for 15 hours of non-stop flight to China with each B777ER registered number 5NBE. In concern, on behalf of the airline, he give them kudos. He give the federal government kudos for their efforts when they take the fight this disease when they on board. When they talk, say the federal government of Nigeria say that they are ahead of some foreign nations or some advanced country when they take the fight this matter when they fight. So the management of the airport commend the federal government for being proactive in the preparation for emergencies, preventing the spread of the virus, and also providing the kits and other medical equipment for the treatment of those affected by the pandemic. One love. If you know, so you never subscribe before, ladies and gentlemen, make you subscribe and make you share. One love.